Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to develop our model that is previously discussed in our first video. So first, we have to set our file current directory. So you have to go here, File, Current Directory. I'm choosing this folder. You can choose any folder. Then we have to define our unit system. As you are working with millimeter unit, so go here, this one, this icon, then presets, and choose this one, SI millimeter plus Newton. Then click this one, change unit system. Right now I have defined this before, that's why it's looking transparent. In your software you will see this one will toggle and you have to click this one, then click OK. Okay, right now our model size was 72 millimeter by 72 millimeter. So we have to set our grid system. So go here, coordinate system, grid, tick it, and go to edit option. So basically the U is the x-axis and the V is the y-axis. This one is the lower limit of U and this one is the upper limit of U. Same goes for this one. For V, this is the spacing. So as our model is 72 millimeter, so we have to define our lower limit and the upper limit of x-axis. The spacing is doesn't matter, so we can choose anything. We can choose 6. Same goes for the V. Okay, right now we are seeing this one is a dot, but if you click this one is called the field view. We will get zoom and fit with the window. So you can see right now. Now click this one is the ISO view. Okay, so this is our grid system. Right now we have to model our first part, which is rubber. So you have to go here, geometry and mesh, then go to elements, click here, add, pick the corner point, and you will get elements. So you can notice that the rubber stack was 12 millimeter height, so you have to expand it 12 millimeter in z-axis. Why? The ordinate is in z-axis, so we have to expand it. So here is this tools, expand. So you have to translate. So in z-axis you have to expand 12 millimeter. So span element, click this element with your mouse, left click, then right click, and you see this one got expanded. Right now click OK. So we have to define some sets because we are going to input material properties in these elements and we are going to add mesh. So it's better to create a set. So go here, select, then set control, elements, because this one is a element. So elements, new set, and enter the element set name. So this is the rubber, so I'm writing rubber. Enter. Enter store element list. We have to store the element. Which one? So this one. Left click, then right click. So you can see here is a set created here. So you can toggle it on and off. Okay. So as we are working with 2 stack, so there will be two rubber. So we have to duplicate this one. So here's the button. It's called duplicate. Then we have to duplicate 12 millimeter up. So 12. So this one is element. So click element. So enter duplicate element list. So you have to click this one, left click, then right click. You can see this one is duplicate. So we don't have to create another set because as we duplicate this one, the other one is also got into the rubber set. You can see here. Okay, so the rubber part is modeled right now. Let's model the rubber part. This one. So there are 5 layers. and the bottom layer is carcass layer, and you can see the elevation is 1.5. So we can move the origin 1.5 millimeter higher. So the Marc Mentat software, then we can go to edit. So we can move the origin 1.5 millimeter higher. So 1.5. Right now I'm going to enter. So the origin go up 1.5 millimeter up. So right now we have to model the carcass part. So geometry mesh elements, pick the corner point, and this is the carcass layer. So the next one, the belt, first belt layer is 3.25 millimeter up. So we have to duplicate it 3.25 millimeter up. So elements, click this one, right click, and you got 3.25 millimeter up. Then you can see there are 3 belt layers which are 2 millimeter spacing. So we can define this at once like this. How? We can write 2 meter here and repetitions 3 times. So click elements and choose this one because we have to define from this one. So click this one, left click, then right click, and you can see here are our 5 steel layers. This one is carcass, this is belt 1, belt 2, belt 3, belt 4. Then click OK. So we can resize for this one too. So select, set control, elements, new set. The bottom one is carcass. Enter, left click, right click. So let's do this for the rest one. Belt 1, belt 2, belt 3, and finally belt 4. So you can see here are our all sets: carcass, belt 1, belt 2, belt 3, belt 4. Okay, so we have to duplicate this one also because there are 2 stacks. So click duplicate here. We have to duplicate once, so repetition should be 1, and we have to duplicate 12 millimeters. So click elements here. So we can choose one by one, clicking this here, or you can choose this one. This is called all visible. Right now the rubber is turned off, so the rubber is not seen here. So if you click this one, all visible, that means the visible part will be duplicated, not the rubber one. Okay, so click this one. So that look, only the visible one was duplicated. So this is our carcass layer and the other layers. So this is our model. Look, this is our scatter arrow model. So we have to define the stack. There are 2 stacks. So let us define this one also. So select, set control, elements new set. Let's say the bottom stack is called L1. Enter. So click this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because each stack has 5 steel layers. Then right click. But we didn't enter the rubber part, so we have to turn on the rubber one. So we have to input the rubber one in the L1. So go to here, existing set, click L1 and store this one. This one is rubber. Look, this is the rubber. Right click and you can see 6 elements, 5 elements were steel layers and then 1 elements were rubber one. Click OK. So we can turn off this one, and the rest one is the L2. So we can create a cell, new set, L2, enter. So we can choose using this one, all visible, and you can see there is another set, L2. Okay, so this is our model. Right now we have to divide the rubber part into 12 separate part, because if we doesn't divide it, you will not get a good mesh. So go to here, subdivide. So we are going to divide it 12 millimeter, the z-axis. So sorry, 12 divisions. So 12. Click elements. Click the rubber one only. This one. Right click. And this one. Right click. So the rubber got 12 divisions in the z-axis. Click OK. On also click sweep, because here are some duplicate nodes as they are overlapping this one. So click sweep here and click all. I can see there are 24 duplicate nodes were deleted. Okay, so this is our sculpted rubber part model. Right now we have to define some surface, because we are going to add some load here. So first we have to define our origin as 0, 0, 0. So let us define the surface first. So geometry and mesh, then click points, then add point. So as this one is 72 by 72, so we have to make the surface larger than this one. And you can see the coordinate system. So this is the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. So let us first toggle down the points. So here go to plot control, then turn on the nodes and points, regenerate, then click OK. So you can see this is the nodes. Okay, so let us draw the point. So click add, and let us say the coordinates are 140, 140, 0. Then minus 140, 140, 0. Then minus 140, minus 140, 0. And 140, minus 140, 0. So where is the points? You can see, if you feel this one's the other points. Okay, let us add another one in the 24 millimeter height. So click add 140, 140, 24, minus 140, 140, 24, minus 140, minus 140, 24, and the last one 140, minus 140, 24. So 8 points had been created. So right now we have to create a surface here. So go to geometry mesh, click surface, add, and click the points. If you go clockwise, then the face will be anti-clockwise. So if you go clockwise, the face will be downward. But in this system, if you go clockwise, the face will be anti-clockwise. So according to the right hand rule, if you turn anti-clockwise, the face will be upward, which is towards the faces of the sculpture. So this is okay. So we have to go the bottom surface, right hand rule, according to right hand rule. So you can see. So look, if you draw clockwise, the face would be anti-clockwise. How you can define it is in this one. If you look at this one, you can see if we go from here, this is anti-clockwise, so the face would be, according to the right hand rule, the face would be upward, which is towards the sculpture. So this is okay. Right now we have to define also the top surface. So we also go for this one and clockwise system. But if you see the face, this one is anti-clockwise. So the according to right hand rule, the face would be upward, but we need it toward the faces of the sculptures. So it should be downwards, but by mistake we have drawn clockwise. So how to fix it? So you can go here, contact, and here is a tools, click flip surface, select this one and right click. You can see this one becomes clockwise. Look, clockwise. So the faces would be downward, and this is towards the scriptures. So click OK. So this is our surface. We are going to apply those in the middle, so we have to add node also. So go to geometry mesh, add nodes. So the nodes would be 0 0 and the elevation is 24. So 24, enter. You can see these are our nodes. So this is our model development. Then in the next video we'll discuss how to add the material properties. Till then, goodbye.